This morning I went ahead and did another coat on it. I want to do another one, but I'm out of paint. So I might go get more paint since I still got to do the bumper, but the bumper's kind of black already. So this is still kind of wet, still spots drying and everything. But that thing right there needs the coupe front already on it. So just start doing that. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat of black paint on the grill as well, just so you know it looks a little better. So, and I got a little paint left over. I don't have enough to do the bumper for sure, but definitely can do this. So let's get this paint real quick. Boom, like that. Paint it. So let this dry for a little bit, then we'll get it put on the bumper, and we'll go ahead and start installing everything on the car. I know y'all are waiting on that part, so smash that like button. Let's continue. Alright, so the grill's painted. I think I showed that already. And my son kind of like hit the hood some, so there's a scuff in it. But the hood looks way better. There's still little spots that you can see, but I want to get this put on the car, and hopefully next month or so we'll just go ahead and get the whole car, start doing all the body work on the whole car, and we can go ahead and start painting it and doing all that stuff. But for now, I want to get all this on. So let's go ahead and get this grill put back on the bumper, and then we'll start assembling this stuff on the car itself. All right, so before we can even take or put any of that on the car, we gotta take this bumper and hood off. I will start with taking the wiper, windshield wiper fluid hose off. Then the bumper, you have to unbolt the hood. There's 210s here, 210s over there, and then reverse the process of putting everything on. So let's see how this works out, and then go from there. We gotta get that 110 right there. Stand bumper off. Knock the coupe one on there real quick. Alright, so the coupe bumper is on, and I think it fits the car a lot better. I think the look of a coupe bumper is better than the sedan. So right here's a good comparison, guys, of the difference. If you guys look, this whole piece here is one piece. The grill on this, as on the coupe bumper, it's removable. It doesn't have this stick out here, and it has more, like right here, of a curve, where this is more just flat. And then remember, we have the lip kit for it too, so we're gonna try and get the whole lip kit mounted on this car as well. You won't see none of this down here that's red and silver plastic dip, or anything from like this body line down when we put the lip on, which will probably be in the next video or so. Now let's go ahead and do the coupe hood. Realize too, the sprayer's on the opposite sides on the coupe. The wipers. God, that looks like crap. You got the tool, buddy? There's a coupe swap front on a sedan. Looks way better. The hood's not sticking out 100 feet like the other one was on both ends. It's flush, everything. So a lot of people say you gotta change this, and that. Realistically, all you have to change to make a perfect fitment will be the piece behind here that the grill and bumper connects to. Because on the sedans, it only connects on the corners. On the coupe, there's one on each corner, and then a couple pieces on the grill part itself. There's that, and then if you want to change the bumper bar, I would let this bumper sit in a little better, but you don't need to change that. Other than that, that's all you have to do. So there we go. It's got a coupe front on the sedan. There it is. So fully completed. Coupe front is on. So I'm sure this gap like this is because of it being wrecked. So I can tweak all that later. Maybe just gotta slide it over, sitting a little over here. There is the little hood tabs that you can spin up to push the hood up a little bit. Maybe I'll adjust that as well. But for the most part, coupe front is done. But that's gonna be it, guys. Ruben, you ready for a nap, buddy? You wanna take a nap? Yeah? You ain't taking that? Alright guys, so that's that. Coupe front is done. Pretty simple, like I said. All you need is a coupe hood, bumper, and then that piece in the back that kind of bolts to the side of the headlights and all that. And where the bumper will bolt onto it with the grill piece as well. Since this has a removable grill on the coupe bumper, unlike the sedans. So I know there's been a lot of questions and stuff over the years and time of what's needed to do the coupe front. Not much. Really don't need a lot. You don't gotta do core support. You ain't gotta do none of that. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope this video helped you guys if you guys want to do the coupe front on your sedans. So with that being said, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace and God bless.